1. Replace scrolling with movement. Start with a 10-minute walk. No phone, no music. This alone resets your mind. 2. Do something fun that moves your body. Play a sport. Train with people. Enjoyment is what keeps you consistent. 3. Pick a creative outlet. Drawing, photography, music. Give your brain real stimulation, not cheap dopamine. 4. Read 10 pages a day. Small habit, massive long-term impact. Your thinking upgrades without you noticing. 5. Write for 5 minutes daily. Ideas, goals, lessons. Clear writing builds clear thinking. 6. Spend time alone without input. No phone, no noise. This is where real clarity shows up. 7. Train your body daily, even 20 minutes. Discipline here spreads everywhere. 8. Learn to cook simple meals. Control what you eat. Build discipline through routine. 9. Understand basic money habits. Spend smart. Avoid dumb decisions. This removes future stress. 10. Track your daily habits. What gets tracked gets improved. Keep it simple, but consistent. 11. Control what you consume. If it doesn't teach you something, skip it. Protect your attention. 12. Learn a skill that pays. Editing, sales, copywriting. Turn time into opportunity. 13. Build something online. A page, a channel, a brand. Start messy. Improve fast. 14. Practice speaking clearly. Record yourself. Improve daily. Communication multiplies your value. 15. Do one hard thing every day. Something you've been avoiding. This builds real discipline. Pick 2 or 3 and stay consistent. That's how you replace scrolling and actually move forward. If you want more videos like this, subscribe now